Hey, it's Lou. Today I wanted to guide you through my most used Notion pages. So here I created a little database where I have all of my main values. So you might see this as your identity or your values. It doesn't really matter. What matters is that my first thing is prioritizing my family and friends. My second thing is taking care of my health. Third things is learning and growing and experiencing new things. And the fourth one is sharing what I learned to help others. So they're in the order of priority. What you can see right under it, so there's a little life bar, almost like a little health situation that is actually telling me how well I'm doing depending on the habits that I've been taking for the past few weeks. So you can see that under each element I have some habits that I can see actually right here, and every day or every other day I can check off what I did. For example, if I stretch today, I can check this off. I can also open it and check that I updated it on the right day. So if I didn't do it today but I did it yesterday, I can also do that. If right now I'm recording, for example, I can check this, and when I do, it actually updates the health. So I did a little like code formula that is not too complicated, but definitely not fun to look at. Here's a look if you want to copy it. And it's just a really fun way for me to remember to try to do different things. For example, I haven't been practicing my Chinese writing in a while, and it kind of pushes me to do it. Like, why are you not doing this? And it also values my time, like the fact that I spend time doing all of these other things so that I get a generally better score. So this is for my daily habits, sort of, but I also have something for my more long-term projects. So as you can see, I have the same categories in the same order, but it's a bit more specific things. I added one just to show you that I haven't started yet. So for example, if I want to get back into cooking, I would create a project here. We can have a look at the one for Chinese, for example. If you look here, there's a bunch of properties that I added. It's not really necessary to go through all of them, but you can see that for every project I have a sort of sub-project or like another goal. We can look at this one that's already done. So before starting learning Chinese, I had 3 steps I could take. So I tried an app, I tried chapter 1 of a beginner textbook, and I listened to the language once to make sure I wanted to learn it. And when I did, I created all these other goals, like studying for HSK. I can actually update this progress. I'm almost done. And as you can see, it updates the general progress. So it's really fun to write these little steps and see progress on some projects that can take a bit more time. So yeah, I hope you like it. And if you have questions, I can't really share this because it's my personal Notion, but I would love to make a template that I can share with everyone.